Hello families, this is Mr. Phelps coming with a quick homework video to help you out because I'm getting a lot of questions about what in the world is this pie-shaped looking cake thing. So this is a quick review of the notes your scholars should already have on page 6. This funky looking thing is called GEMDAS. It's the way we approach expressions, and it gives us a specific order we solve in. So we start from the top of GEMDAS, kind of the cake thing, and we work our way down when we solve expressions. Each letter in GEMDAS stands for a different thing. The G stands for groupings. That's these kind of symbols, either parentheses or brackets. The E is exponents. Those look like this. The M and the D, they are on the same layer, multiplication and division. And then A and S, addition and subtraction, also on their own layer. So I'm going to actually pull up the homework assignment for tonight, and we're going to work through one of those so you can help your scholar tonight if they need it. So there's the homework. Okay, so the question says, find the value of the expressions below and show your work. Cool. We have 35 minus 10 times 4 divided by 5. It's tempting to just start with this numbers in the front, but you don't. You actually work with GEMDAS in the specific order. So G, grouping symbols. Do I see anything that's in a parentheses or brackets? Nope. So put a check there because we worked on that one and we're done. E, exponents. Do I see anything that's an exponent? Nope. Put a check. Moving on. The next layer is multiplication and division. Do we see anything in our question that is multiplication or division? Yes, we do. I see two things. I see 10 times 4, and I see 4 divided by 5. So now, since those are the same layer, the one that we do first is furthest to the left. So you kind of read it from left to right like a sentence. And I'm going to say 10 times 4 comes first, because it's the first from left to right. 10 times 4 is 40. And now I just bring down everything else that was a part of the expression. So 35 minus 40 divided by 5. That divided by 5 was right there. I don't write the 10 or the 4 because we multiply those to give us 40. I'm still on this layer of our cake, multiplication and division. Do I see anything else I can multiply or divide? Yes. Right here I have 40 divided by 5, so I'm going to do that next. 40 divided by 5 is 8, and I bring down this 35 just like before. 35 minus, and now I have an 8. Do I see any more multiplication or division? Nope. So check off that layer and move to the very bottom one, addition or subtraction. Well, I only have 35 minus 8 left, so I'm just going to do that. And 35 minus 8, if you want to actually show your work, it looks like this. 35 minus 8. Notice that the ones place are all lined up. We're not going to do 5 minus 8 because it gives us a negative. We have to regroup. So the 3 becomes a 2. The 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 2 comes down. That gives us 27. So my final answer for 35 minus 8 is 27. And that is your answer for number 1. If you have further questions, send me a remind message, and I'll be sure to help you out. Thanks for helping your scholar. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.